Hey lawyers, welcome. Today I'm sharing the #1 law firm concern when doing marketing, and that is, when does this person become my client? Hi, and welcome to my Zoom room if you're watching this video, and for you lovely readers, I've done my best to include pretty much everything in the text version of this post. Today, I'm talking to my frustrated clients who think that marketing should be immediate. You might think that marketing should be like a faucet. You can just turn it on and people will start calling you right away and become perfect ideal clients. But let's look at it this way. Would you go up to someone at a party and introduce yourself and say,
"Hi, I'm Bob.
"Oh, hi, Bob." And then Bob says,
Do you want to come home with me?"
"It's just too fast. It's way too fast." So according to Tony Robbins, the self-help guru, it takes a person seeing your content well over 17 times for them to act, even when they're desperately in need of your help. This is why billboards that reign over really busy commute traffic can really help law firms get clients. They drive past your sign every single morning, 5 days a week, and this gives them plenty of time to consider hiring you. This is also why TV ads that play continuously over programming like the news have traditionally gotten clients. But as a lot of you move over to meta ads or online digital advertising, you're wondering, how much do you really need to communicate with these people in order to have them turn into an ideal client? For those of you who are reading this, I'm going to be walking through a sample of 17 touch points for marketing to give you an idea of various ways that they get to know you in order to end up as an ideal client. In marketing, we call this the marketing funnel, and they're moving through at various transitions and touch points to eventually become a client. Let's look. So first, they'll maybe see a meta ad, and if we're really lucky, after the first ad, they'll respond. And then maybe you'll call or message with them. That's 3 times that you've touched bases with them. Then maybe they get an email from you. Then maybe another email. And in these emails, it's a good idea to have your content be kind of like helping them self-select out if they're not ideal clients, or select in if they are ideal clients. So like maybe if you're a personal injury lawyer, you might want to talk about their coverage and how important that is. Then you might call or message with them again in Facebook or DM with them in Instagram. Maybe they get another email, it's a video, sending them over to your YouTube channel where you have a whole bunch of frequently asked question videos. Then maybe they see another ad. You're retargeting them on a whole new platform. Maybe now they see your billboard somewhere, they start to see you again. And then maybe they see a free business page post where you're letting them know about the culture of your firm, how you're helping kids in the neighborhood. Maybe they get another email and another call and another text message. Now I want to say, when you call or text message with them, they're not likely to answer yet. They're probably just hearing your message. So you want to just be really casual. Say to them, "Hey, if you guys need some help, we saw that you reached out to us from our meta ad a week ago. Just letting you know that we're still here, and if you need us, we're happy to give you a free consultation." So it's just very casual still. And they might get another email, another ad, another email, another ad, maybe another free business page post, and then finally another email. Now at this point, they have seen you all 17 times. That's what it actually looks like for someone to see 17 times of you reaching out in all different ways. And at this point, they're pretty educated, and they pretty much will know if they're an ideal client or if they need to self-select out. So what's the takeaway here? The law firms who get their message out continually so that people can easily access you 17 or more times do tend to grow their practices and regularly get clients. If you think that just one ad or just 1 month worth of ads is really going to suddenly grow your practice, it's not likely to do so. Now that we've talked about the various touch points that people might see as they work their way through your marketing funnel, how might you set up your marketing funnel? You could do this all kinds of different ways. Maybe you're a billboard kind of lawyer, or maybe you're an interruption TV-based style lawyer. But the main thing is that you need to have patience with your marketing. It takes time and patience, just like with any new relationship. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to meet with me about your project, let me know. I'd love to meet with you anytime right here in my Zoom room. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.